Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Programming Concepts. I am Saeed Naveed Abbas, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do some image processing on ESP32 camera. So for this you need to open Arduino, and then we need to install ESP32 board informations. So to do this we need to go to our preferences, and in the additional board manager URLs, make sure that we have this URL inside it. This will help find ESP32 board information. Click OK, and then Tools, and then find Boards and Boards Manager. You can also access this Boards Manager from the side menu here, and then search for ESP32, and then install ESP32 by Expressive Systems. And you can see I have already installed 3.0.5. Then when you have installed it, you will see that under the board menu there comes the ESP32. Then inside ESP32 you will find many boards. You can select any board that you're going to program. So in this case I'm using ESP32-CAM, so I'm going to select AI Thinker Camera. So we need to find AI Thinker Camera here. Here you can see this is AI Thinker Camera. So select this and then go to Tools, File, Examples. Now you will see examples for AI Thinker ESP32 camera. So this will only show when you have selected this board. So go to ESP32, Camera, Camera Web Server. When this file opens up, you need to comment this one and uncomment the AI Thinker camera, which is here. Then go a little below and write here the Wi-Fi name, SSID, and the password for your Wi-Fi where you want to connect this ESP32 camera. After this, select the port where this camera is connected and then upload the code. I have already uploaded the code, and then what I'm going to do is connect my ESP32 camera using an ESP32 camera board. This comes with a solution to plug the entire camera into it and then use a USB cable to easily connect to my computer. Because this ESP32 camera, it doesn't come with a pre-built USB connection. So we need this holder and mount our ESP32 camera on it, then connect the USB cable. Once it is connected, we need to provide Wi-Fi to this ESP32 camera. So I'm going to go to my mobile hotspot, turn it on, and I have already configured my hotspot and the code accordingly. So ESP32 camera will only connect to the network specified in this Arduino code here. So once it is connected, it will display here. If you do not see it connected in a while, you can turn it off and turn it on again. also try unplugging the ESP32 camera and then plugging it back to your PC. Now you can see it has been connected. Now copy this IP address and enter it into your web browser. Now you will see the camera has been connected and the web page has been opened. Now if I click on Start Stream, I will see this video here from ESP32 camera. Now if I want to process this video using OpenCV and Python, I only need direct video. I don't want this whole page. So to do this, what I need is go to the stream endpoint. For this, we need to specify here the port, and the port is commonly the 81 and then /stream. Sorry, first I need to stop this. So I cannot stream it on two different devices or links. So once I have opened stream on one page, I cannot open it on the other. So that's why I had to close that one. So here we can see that stream is working and it only shows the video. Now this will be used inside the Python's code to directly get the video only and then do some processing on it. So let's go to IDE where we write our Python code and test if this works. So let's go. Okay, I'm going to code in Visual Studio Code, but you can use any IDE which you prefer for Python. So here I'm gonna write the code and I'm gonna import OpenCV, CV2, and then we're going to specify the URL, which is the IP address. So I'm gonna input HTTP, the IP address, the port, and /stream, then capture, CV2, video capture, URL. Once we have specified the URL, we are going to read frames from this URL. So I'm going to specify, so I'm going to write while true, RET means return value. So if anything is returned, like if the frame has been read, then it will be true, otherwise it will be false. Then we're gonna use the frame variable to store the frame information, and then equals cap read. Now we see if the frame has been read successfully. If RET okay, so if RET is true, then it means we have successfully read the frame. Then we're going to display that frame. So CV2 ImShow frame. First we need to specify the title. So original frame, then the data of the frame, and then CV2 wait key delay 1 and If user presses Q, we close this loop. And if RET is not true, then it means we couldn't capture the frame. So print nothing found. And then cap release CV2, destroy all windows. Save this code and make sure that the device is connected and the Wi-Fi is running. I'm going to run this command to run the code, Python ESP32-CAM.py. Press enter. It says nothing found, nothing found, nothing found. Let me see what's the problem. Let me copy this code, put it into the browser to see if the link is correct. This is not working. Let me disconnect the ESP32-CAM and then connect it again. And also disconnect this Wi-Fi. Okay, the camera has reconnected. I copied the new IP address. And paste it here. And then let me run this again. But is it working? Sorry, I forgot to put else here. Else. Okay, let's run this again. And let me increase the delay here. I think the delay is too much now. Let me close this again. And make it 3. Save it, run it again. Now that's cool. So now this is working and our image has been read in Python. So let's do a little processing. So close this window. And here, let me show another frame with inverted color scheme. So inverted equals CV2 bitwise not and frame. So this will turn this frame into inverted one and put it in our inverted frame, inverted variable. Then display this one, CV2 ImShow inverted frame inverted. Save this, run this again, and you can see here this is the original one and this is the inverted one. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. See you in the next video. Until then, take care, keep learning. Allah Hafiz.